Hello, it's the Range Ronin. I have found one pistol I am pretty excited about. The Smith Wesson CSX had a ton of potential. It was lightweight, reliable, and boasted several features that made it ideal for concealed carry. It had, however, some problem areas. One purported problem area was the trigger. A lack of a definite reset point was the major complaint. You may have noticed that I speak of the CSX in past tense. That's because the CSX has been discontinued, but has been replaced with one far much better, the CSX E-Series, one which I am developing a fondness.